Hello everybody, this is Shiva here. Welcome back to my other unboxing and review of the Shure Aonic 50 Active Noise Cancellation Wireless Headphones. So let's start off with the unboxing of the headphones. So when you open the box, you'll find the headphones case themselves, and this case looks and feels very solid. It's a really hard show carrying case. People who travel a lot will admire this case. It protects the headphones really well. Inside the case, you get a USB Type-C charging port to charge your headphones. And you get a 3.5 mm headphone jack. Then obviously, inside the case, you find the headphones themselves. First, let's talk about the price of these headphones. These headphones are really expensive. It's priced at rupees 35,000. People who can afford these headphones, it's really great. Now let's start off with the build quality of these headphones. These headphones are built very good. The top headband is made out of leather. The bottom headband is also made out of leather. The ear cups are made out of synthetic leather and it feels really soft. The side head adjustable and hinges are made out of metal and it feels very solid. Now let's talk about the comfort of these headphones. These headphones feel very comfortable to wear, but people who have bigger heads will feel this a bit discomfort, but who have a smaller heads like me will feel these headphones really comfortable. There's no doubt in that. You can listen to these headphones for hours and hours in terms of comfort. Now let's talk about the battery life of these headphones. These headphones have an advertised battery life of 20 hours, which is less in comparison with other headphones. Other headphones give you a battery life of 30 hours, 35 hours. So if you compare with the other premium segment headphones, these are a bit low in terms of comparison of battery life. Now let's talk about the active noise cancellation of these headphones. These headphones block out a very good amount of low frequency sounds, but when it comes to the higher frequency sounds, it pales in comparison with other premium headphones. It blocks out a good amount of noise, but not as good as compared to other models. Now let's talk about the audio codec. These headphones use AAC, SBC, aptX, aptX HD, aptX low latency and Sony's LDAC. These audio codec literally means if you play your music in any YouTube or if you play in your Apple Music, still you get a great audio output out of these headphones. Now let's talk about the Bluetooth connectivity. These headphones have a Bluetooth 5. It has a very good connection and the range is really good, so there will be no disconnection in terms of Bluetooth. Now let's talk about the most important part, which is the sound quality. The sound quality of this headphone is really good. Mainly if you are listening to classical music, you will love these headphones. These are a pair of an audiophile grade headphones in terms of sound quality. But if you play rock, hip hop and other bass heavy music, it won't satisfy you much. But these headphones are really good in terms of classical music. You will love these headphones, there's no doubt in that. And the clarity it gives is really good. It has a very good sound stage. It has a good instrumental separation and the clarity is great. Finally, let's talk about the microphone quality of this headphone. These headphones have a really good microphone quality. You can talk to people who are in business calls, people who are in conference calls. You can talk to them really good and they can hear you properly. Okay guys, that was my review and unboxing of the Shure Aonic 50 active noise cancellation wireless headphones. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care guys. Bye.